Protests in Georgia have entered their fourth consecutive night, fueled by growing opposition to the government's decision to suspend European Union membership talks for 4 years. Demonstrations, which began in the capital Tbilisi, have spread across the country. Police clashed with thousands of protesters in Rutsaveli Avenue in Tbilisi, using water cannons and tear gas as protesters retaliated with fireworks. Protester Nikolaos Mirushvili expressed frustration, saying, quote, "We are fighting for our European future and democracy." End quote. The unrest follows the Georgian government's controversial move to delay EU membership talks, sparking accusations of authoritarianism and a shift towards Russia. Demonstrations have been reported in multiple cities, including road blockages near the port city of Poti and protests in at least 8 other towns. In Khasruri, protesters pelted a Georgian Dream Party office with eggs. The EU and US have expressed concern over Georgia's drift from its pro Western stance. European Commission President Ursula von der Leyen called the situation alarming, while Washington criticized the government's excessive use of force. In response, Georgian Prime Minister Irakli Kobakish dismissed US criticism as a temporary setback, vowing to address the issue with the incoming US administration. President Salom Zorabishvili, a strong advocate for EU integration, condemned the recent parliamentary elections as illegitimate and demanded action from the Constitutional Court to annul the results. Though her term is nearing its end, Zoravishvili has refused to step down until a legitimate government is established. Meanwhile, Russia has closely monitored the unrest. Dmitry Medvedev, former Russian president, warned that Georgia's path could mirror that of Ukraine with dire consequences. As tensions rise, opposition groups are urging employers to grant paid leave to protesters, further intensifying calls for resistance against the government's policies.